Hi, welcome to Snappy Blink. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create the Shady preset in Lightroom Mobile. Here are some example photos before and after using this preset. Let's get started. Go to light and adjust the exposure to -0.25. Adjust the contrast to 31. Highlights to -72. Adjust shadows to 30. Whites to -20 and blacks to -21. Then slightly adjust the curves like this. Now go to color. Vibrance 52. Finally saturation to 2. Then let's adjust the colors. Red, increase the hue by 30. Decrease the luminance to -20. Orange, decrease the hue by -10. Decrease the saturation to -40. Increase the luminance to 20. Yellow, decrease the hue by -10. Decrease the saturation to -70. Decrease the luminance to -30. Green, increase the hue by 40. Decrease the saturation to -90. Decrease the luminance to -49. Cyan, decrease the saturation -100. Blue, decrease the saturation to -100. Purple, decrease the saturation to -100. Violet, decrease the saturation to -100. Go to Effects. Clarity 42. Dehaze 20. Now let's adjust the details. Noise reduction 20. Color noise reduction 20. Okay, done. Now you can clearly see the difference of before and after of this photo. Now let's copy these settings and try out on more photos.